it's me, Alex from Be Organizing here. I just wanted to touch on some backing up, you're backing up your computer and whatnot. So why do we want to back up things? It's something that comes up a lot is, what do we do with this? Why do we do it? What's the best practice? So I wanted to share some stuff with you. So why? So we want to save your data and information. So in case your computer crashes, a hard drive crashes, or whatever could happen, it happens. We've seen it. And also data breaches. What if someone steals your information and then corrupts it and now you don't have access to it? And also it can give you a really good sense of organization if you have a full-on backup system in place. So what's the best practice for it is to have an on-site backup and an off-site backup. An on-site could be on an external hard drive, it could be locally on your computer, and an off-site could be a cloud program, it could be a program, we want to use an automatic programs that back it up, ideally for offsite, because it will save you time. So something like Carbonite's a good program. They back up your whole entire computer offsite and a cloud. And also Backblaze is another option, and Google has a backup and sync program. So check them out. It could really help you and save your butt one day. So we want to do that. Make sure you have a backup in place to save your information, and we don't want to get that call of we've lost everything and have to start over. So make sure you back it up. All right, have a great day.